Beautiful day here at Chantilly Farm. It's October 15th. Some really nice color coming in, and it's going to get a lot brighter red, but you see the color out here in the Blue Ridge Mountains is really very nice. Pretty nice day here today. It's supposed to be a nice weekend, a little bit cool but nice. You ought to come on out and walk the multi-purpose trails, do a little disc golf, maybe a little camping, or maybe just a little hiking. Beautiful out here today. There's a little different view. You see some of our campers down below. We're up at the helipad on a flat hilltop, and see some nice color out there. We're up here. Unfortunately, wind's blowing, and I'm sure that's making kind of a noisy situation here. Don't like that. But very, very beautiful day here. Well, here's a little different view. We were just up on that hilltop there to the left, and let's cruise around here through some full service sites here. Bathhouse over there. See little brown buildings in the back there, a couple of bunkhouses, the kids' play area. Leaves have nice color. It's not brilliant, but it'll be better. And by the way, there's tent camping along that wood line there. There's power, no water, but power and fire pits along there for tent campers. Our stage down here, which we don't have anything this weekend, don't have any public events, but we do have private events. And you see our event barn there, beautiful barn inside and out. And over here to the right, the country store, snack shack, and we'll get another shot in here too. Well, here's the entrance coming up, the main entrance to the Chantilly Farm. Here's our camp store where you check in and get your firewood and other supplies you need here at the camp office as well. If you look carefully out through there, you see a little yellow flag. That's disc golf post number 1 starts here. We have a 9-hole disc golf course here. And just a little scan. Some of the campers coming in for the weekend, getting ready for a nice weekend. Going to be a little cool, but going to be beautiful. Going to be really beautiful. Check in here when you come in. If there's nobody here, there's a self check-in. You can check in by just stopping and going up on the front porch there. Yeah, I hate the wind blowing. We're down in the main camp area, little children's area off to the left there. And our main campground, you see a lot of campers out here already for the weekend, hunkered down for a beautiful weekend. This is our full service area, tent camping down in this area, and some hiking trails up on the mountain here. Come on out, enjoy the weekend. Wow, sorry for the wind. This is our main entrance here, coming on up to our love sign. And these cabins here are what we use for our corporate offices. So we don't rent them out. They're all used for office space for our staff. This is the front of the farm. Come on out, enjoy the weekend. Beautiful weekend out here at Chantilly Farm, Floyd County, Virginia.